Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly about finally block. What is the difference between finally and a distractor, right? So now let me go for the next important concept to get much clarity on the concept. Observe control flow in try except finally. Sir, now within the try block, if an exception rises, what will happen? Inside except block, if an exception rises, what will happen? Inside finally block, if an exception rises, what will happen? So compulsory you people should aware flow of execution so that you will get much clarity on the concept. Okay, have a look once about this one, sir. Sir, here I am taking try. Observe very carefully these lines. Try, I am taking statement 1, statement 2, next statement 3. Try. Within the try block, how many statements are there? 3 statements. 1, 2, 3. Next, except block I am taking. Statement 4 I am taking inside except block. Next, finally block I am taking. Statement 5 I am taking, sir. So finally block, statement 5. Next, outside of finally block. Okay, try except finally completed. Now here statement 6 I am taking, sir. But observe very carefully where I am taking statement 6 outside of finally block. Try except finally already completed. Sir, this statement 6 is the independent statement. Okay, like. So from this, so if a statement 1 there is a problem, or 2 there is a problem, 3 there is a problem, 6 there is a problem. If for any statement, if an exception rises, you should be in the position to tell the flow, sir. So from this almost around 5 cases I designed. So if you can answer these 5 cases, then you will get much clarity on the concept. Okay, well, sir, observe first case, sir. What is the first case? If there is no exception. Sir, if there is no exception, what is the flow? Can you please tell, sir? If there is no exception, can you spell out what is the flow? What we are going to get in this case? Yes, 1, 2, 3 will be executed. Okay, because there is no exception, sir, try will be executed. Except won't be executed. When the except block is going to execute, if an exception, but there is no exception, that's why except block won't be executed. Now finally will execute, and then remaining lines of the code will be continued normally. That's why 1, 2, 3, next 5, 6 normal termination. Remember this one, sir. So what is the flow? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, it is the normal termination. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like, so only one block is not executed. What is that block, sir? Statement sir 4 is not executed because there is no exception. Except a block won't be executed. Any doubt about this one? Clear for all of you, right? Okay, well, sir, now case 2, sir. Now observe, if an exception raised yet a statement 2, if an exception raised yet a statement 2 and the corresponding except block matched means, do you know if zero division error came? Yes, here except block meant for zero division error only. Then what will happen? Observe the case 2, sir. If an exception raised yet a statement 2 and the corresponding except block matched, sir, what is the flow? So observe carefully. If an exception rises at statement 2 and the corresponding except block matched, what is the flow, sir? Very simple. 1 will be executed. Next, while executing 2, the problem came and the corresponding except block matched, sir. Immediately the control will comes to except block. So 1, 4, sir, exception raised, handle, remaining will continue normally. 5 and then 6. Are you getting? 1, 4, 5 and then 6 normal termination. Remember this one. So 1 and while executing 2, the problem came. Immediately the corresponding except block matched, sir, 4 and then finally block 5, 6 normal termination because exception riser handle. That's why it will become normal termination. So 1, 4, 5, 6 normal termination. Okay, that's all. This is the flow, sir. Now the next one. Take very special case, sir. if an exception raised yet a statement 2, an exception raised yet statement 2, but corresponding except a block not matched. Sir, maybe 0 division error here, but this except block meant for value error. Sir, 0 division error raised, but except block meant for value error means the corresponding except block not matched. So what will happen? Observe very carefully. If an exception raised yet a statement 2, but corresponding except block not matched, but corresponding except block not matched, what will happen? Sir, very simple. One will be executed normally. Next, while executing 2, the problem came. Immediately Python virtual machine will check for the corresponding except block. Sir, except block not matched. If the except block not matched, it is always abnormal termination. Remember, no except block, but exception raised, abnormal termination. But before abnormal termination, compulsory finally block will be executed. That's why 1-5 abnormal termination. Remember this one. 1-5 abnormal termination. So if an exception raised at statement 2 but corresponding except block not matched, 1 and then only finally block 5 and then abnormal termination. Even in the case of abnormal termination, finally block will be executed. Only finally block, not remaining statements. 1-5 abnormal termination. Okay, 1-5 abnormal termination. Okay, well, sir, now the next one. If an exception raised yet statement 4, sir. Now observe very carefully. If an exception raised yet statement 4, can you please tell what will happen? Is it normal termination or abnormal termination? That is our next case. Observe. If an exception raised yet a statement 4, what will happen? Yes, friends, can you please confirm? Is it normal termination or abnormal termination? In the last control flow in try except, I covered already this point. Remember that. If any statement raises an exception, which is not part of try block, then it is always abnormal termination. Okay, if any statement raises an exception which is not part of try block, then it is always abnormal termination. But before abnormal termination, finally block will be executed. Sir, here it is not part of try block. If it is not part of try block, no except block. No except block means abnormal termination. So if an exception raised at statement 4, it is always abnormal termination. But before abnormal termination, compulsory finally block will be executed. Only finally block. Remember, sir, now observe. If an exception raised at statement 4, then it is always abnormal termination. Okay, before abnormal termination, only finally block will be executed. Only finally block will be executed. Remember this one, sir. But before abnormal termination, only finally block will be executed. So finally block means statement 5 will be executed, right? So take very special care. Write on this, analyze each and every case so that you will get much clarity, friends. Remember this. Sir, now next case. Suppose if an exception raised at statement 5, can you please tell, is it normal termination or abnormal termination? Hey, respond. Just now I told. If an exception raised at statement 5, is it normal termination or abnormal termination? Yes, it is always abnormal termination because it is not part of try. No except block. No except block means it is always abnormal termination. Sir, if an exception raised at a statement 6, sir, it is not part of try block, no except block, it is always abnormal termination. That's why if an exception raised at a statement 5 or statement 6, it is always abnormal termination. Remember this one. So if an exception raised at a statement 5 or statement 6, then it is always abnormal termination. Is it clear for all of you, right? So in the material I included all these cases. Okay, compulsory you have to write on the paper, you have to analyze, then you people can feel more comfortable, right? Are you in the position to understand, right? So if there is no exception, what is the flow? If an exception rises at statement 2 and the corresponding exceptor block matched, what will happen? If an exception rises at statement 2 but corresponding exceptor block not matched, what will happen? If an exception rises at statement 4, what will happen? If an exception rises at statement 5 or statement 6, what is the scenario? Is it clear for all of you, right? So this is what the control flow in try except finally. Any doubt?